Hello, this is DJ Shacha with another AMPS tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be covering how to play with music. So first let's look at the player controls. This whole section right here is a player control. We have the previous track, play button, pause button, stop, the next track. Right here we have the title. Right here we have the time elapsed and the time remaining. Over here we have controls for the volume, the speed, and the pitch. When a track is added, the title appears and the volume and everything is right there. You can change the volume, you can press 0 to reset the volume. This applies for the volume, the speed, and the pitch. When you have multiple tracks in here, you can use the continuous play, the cut play, which will stop after one track, or you have the loop play, which repeats the one track over and over again. We're going to be using the continuous play for this procedure. Next, we have the playlist, which is right here. We have the play history, which is right here. And we have the request list, which is right here. Any song that you want to maybe play, you can drag it into the request list and then drag it into the playlist when you're ready to play it. You can delete tracks by simply clicking on the garbage, move it into the garbage, move it to the request list, or simply press the delete button. You can add more tracks by pressing the enter button, typing in a name that you want, pressing enter, and there you go. Next, we have the mixer options. Right here, we have the cut option. It simply cuts out the fading in song and cuts out the fading out song. Next is the cut and fade in. Cuts out the fading in song, fades in the new song. After that, we have the fade out and cut. We have the fade, we have the mix, and we have the crossover. You can also customize how one track fades in and the other track fades out by using the left mouse button to change the fading of the ending track and the right mouse button to change the fading of the starting track. Just like that. When you play a song and it's about to finish, if we're using the continuous track, we'll move on to the next track. Mixing. Here's the fade. You can increase this by dragging this out a bit further and a bit further. To advance to the next track, using the mix sequence, simply press the next button. To stop the track, simply press the stop button. You'll notice that it stopped fading out, just as we have specified it right here. That is the end of the playing with music. So I'll see you in the next tutorial.